Have you ever felt like life is throwing punches at you and you're just standing there unsure how to dodge or fight back? Maybe it's the stress of work, the pressure of deadlines, or even the frustration of not feeling strong enough physically or mentally to take on the challenges of each day. What if I told you that learning to box could be the key to not just defending yourself, but also transforming your life? Welcome to Master Boxing at Home in 7 days, even if you're a complete beginner. This isn't just a workout, it's a lifestyle change. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to start your boxing journey, build confidence, and take control of your life. Let's get started. Let's be real. Life can feel like a relentless opponent. You wake up tired, drag yourself through the day, and by the time you get home, all you want to do is collapse on the couch. You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow turns into next week, next month, and suddenly, years have passed. You're stuck in the same routine, feeling powerless, unmotivated, and unsure of how to break free. Maybe you've tried other workouts or routines, but they didn't stick. Maybe you feel intimidated by the idea of going to a gym or hiring a trainer. Maybe you just don't know where to start. That's where boxing comes in. It's not just about physical strength. It's about mental toughness, discipline, and confidence. And the best part, you can start right at home with no equipment, no experience, and no excuses. Imagine this. You're at work and your boss dumps a last-minute project on your desk. Your heart races, your palms sweat, and you feel that familiar knot in your stomach. You want to push back, to stand your ground, but instead you freeze. Why? Because you've never been taught how to fight, not just in the ring, but in life. Boxing isn't just about throwing punches. It's about building the confidence to face challenges head on. It's about learning how to move with purpose, how to stay calm under pressure, and how to push through when things get tough. When you step into the ring, or in this case, your living room, you're not just training your body, you're training your mind to be stronger, sharper, and more resilient. Now, here's the good news. You don't need a fancy gym or a personal trainer to start. You can learn boxing right at home in just 7 days. Let's break it down. Day 1, the basics. Start with your stance. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, one foot slightly in front of the other. Keep your knees slightly bent, your hands up to protect your face and your chin tucked. This is your fighting stance. Your foundation. Day 2, footwork. Boxing is all about movement. Practice stepping forward, backward, and side to side while maintaining your stance. Think of it like a dance, smooth, controlled, and intentional. Day 3, the jab. The jab is your most important punch. It's quick, it's sharp, and it sets up everything else. Practice throwing it straight from your lead hand, keeping your other hand up to guard your face. Day 4, the cross. The cross is your power punch. It comes from your rear hand and packs a punch. Literally, rotate your hips and shoulders as you throw it and snap your hand back to your guard position. Day 5, defense. Boxing isn't just about attacking, it's about defending. Practice slipping, moving your head to the side, blocking, using your arms to deflect punches, and rolling, moving your body to avoid hits. Day 6, combinations. Now it's time to put it all together. Practice simple combinations like jab, cross, jab, cross, and jab, cross, hook. Focus on fluidity and control. Day 7, shadow boxing. Put on some music, stand in front of a mirror, and practice everything you've learned. Imagine an opponent in front of you and move like you're in a real fight. But here's the thing, you can't just watch this video and hope for change. You have to take action. Right now, today. What's stopping you from clearing a small space in your living room and throwing your first punch? What's holding you back from taking control of your life one step at a time? The clock is ticking, and every second you wait is a second you could be using to become the best version of yourself. What would it feel like to wake up tomorrow with a sense of purpose? To walk into a room knowing you've got the strength, both physically and mentally, to handle whatever comes your way? How would your life change if you stopped making excuses and started making progress? This isn't just about boxing. It's about building a mindset that refuses to back down. It's about proving to yourself that you can set a goal and achieve it. In 7 days, you won't just learn how to throw a punch. You'll learn how to fight for the life you deserve. And once you start, there's no limit to what you can achieve. So what are you waiting for? Clear that space, press play, and let's get started. Commit to these 7 days, and I promise you'll come out stronger, more confident, and ready to take on the world. And if you're ready to transform your life, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because this is just the beginning. Let's do this together.